Welcome to the Warwick Hotel, Seattle. So this was the room I was given in this lovely hotel in Seattle. As you see, we're just walking in, and first I'm going to show you the wardrobe area. So here you can see adequate space in the wardrobe to hang clothes, somewhere to put your case, ironing board, etc. And then we have the bathroom opposite with a big full length mirror and marbleized tiles on the shower and bath area, and a toilet with the shower curtain there and a nice shower, and also some storage for towels, etc. And this is the coffee area, and you also get all those kind of amenities, and underneath here like a fridge to put your stuff in. And then coming into the main part of the room, a large telly and a big king-size bed, two bedside table areas, and we have a nice little sofa here at the end by the windows, and a desk or a dressing area and a mirror. And then also over to the balcony area, if you open back the curtains here, you have a little kind of small balcony, so you can open the doors out and feel like you're sitting outside, but it's obviously not a massive balcony. It's nice to be able to think that you can open the doors. And this hotel is in the downtown area of Seattle, so great location for seeing the sights, etc. So now we're going to come back into the room, and I'm just going to show you a full length view of the room. It's a nice size, lovely hotel, and I'd recommend it.